All right, guys, so we're getting ready to take off here in the C-Class. It's me and Trevor, like I said. You were super grateful for being able to be here in sunny Southern California doing a review on the C-Class Mercedes. But without further ado, let's throw it in gear. On the Mercedes, the gear shifter is this little stalk right here. To put it in drive, just depress the brake and flip it down, and it puts it in drive. I'm gonna go ahead and flip us up to Sport Plus mode and manual, so I can shift with the paddle shifters, and we're going to take off. I'm going to roll that up. The car is very direct. The steering's more direct in Sport Plus mode. It's got to slow down here. We got a few cars on the side. Downshifts are good. You know, it's nothing like a Porsche PDK system or any sort of dual clutch, but you know, it's not bad for what it is. This car is I believe a 9-speed. I got it up to 80 on the highway. It wouldn't let me get past gear 9. I tried as much as I could, and so I'm just going to assume that it's a 9-speed. It is a turbo car. You know, to be such a big car, being full size, it actually ensues a lot of confidence on these canyon roads. You can definitely tell there's going to be a little bit of understeer under hard turns, but it's predictable. Downshift here as we go into this curve. Give it a little bit of gas. Oh man, that's fun. So if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe for me if you're into car content. But I also wanted to say that I'm from North Carolina, and the roads are nothing like this from where I'm from. I mean, just the most beautiful roads in the US, in my opinion, right here. I don't really think it gets a whole lot better than this. Now, as we get further up into the canyons, these turns are going to get a little bit more aggressive there when a motorcycle flying past us. It's really amazing how this C-Class can soak up all these bumps. I mean, I catch a pothole every once in a while, and it just soaks them up like they're not even there, to be honest with you. Back at home, I daily drive a 2009 C6 Corvette, and I would definitely be feeling these bumps. Now my car is better around turns than this one, but what I'm saying is you would definitely be able to feel every little nook and cranny in the road. It doesn't make for a very smooth ride. And in this particular Mercedes, the ride is really comfortable, even in Sport Plus mode where it firms up the suspension. It's just crazy how a car can feel just so nice and adapt to whatever situation is put in, for the most part. All right, we finally got the road to ourselves a little bit, so I'm going to start driving a little bit more aggressively. Put it down in third here, about 3,500 RPMs. Wow. No, I know this car is not like super powerful, but the torque that it makes in the mid-range is pretty stout, to be 100% honest with you. The brakes are really good. As we sweep around this turn here, and I'll throw her back down in third. Man, this is a lot of fun driving out here. Look at the scenery. Just look at that. Where else in the US can you get that? That's insane. My ears are popping while I'm doing this review. I swear, you really can't tell the car is as big as it is when you're driving it through here. I like that torque down low. And I'm about to go up through an S turn here. See how she handles the transitions. biting. It's a Viper. Clear. Man, this is a lot of fun, dude. I ain't gonna say never, but I don't know if I've ever had this kind of experience driving before. Just the way the road goes, there's nothing like this. And being out here in this C-Class is just making it that much better. I was not expecting this car, you know, with it being a full-size sedan, to be as fun on this road as it is. But it just is. It just works. The car just goes. The brakes, when you need them, they're there. We're catching up to this Viper right now. You can get it on the camera, Trevor?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Man, this is insane. We're out here driving the canyons with a freaking Viper. I can't explain the feeling, but this is just wild to me. I remember watching The Smoking Tire with Matt Farah. Pretty sure he drives on the same road that we're driving right now. I remember thinking how bad I wanted to come out here and drive it myself, and here I am. Might not be in my Corvette, but this is a hell of a car to be in while we're out here. I mean, oh my God, just look at that. That's insane. Alright, and then over the course of the past 2 days, I've gotten a chance to drive this car in, out, and around, and about all over Los Angeles. And as far as a daily driver, you know, it's comfortable. Obviously, I mean, it's a luxury car, so that's really what it's geared towards more than sports anyway. But with that being said, it's been really good on gas. Considering Los Angeles, basically all of it is stop and go traffic. The gas has been doing really good for us. We've burned a touch over a half a tank, and we've got about 200 miles since we filled it up. So that's not bad considering the stop and go. And then also the past about 45 minutes we've been driving through these canyons, and I haven't been super easy on the car. So it's really good with that. One feature that I'm not a fan of this car, and it's not just this car, it happens to be with a lot of new cars. I know my buddy Josh, he actually has a Chevy Cruze, and I guess it has to do with fuel consumption, saving. I don't know if it gets rid of some sort of tax on the cars or what it does, but basically what I'm getting at is the auto start-stop feature. Yeah, you can feel it understeering a little bit under hard turns. You can definitely feel the wind out here as well. Trying to catch up to these guys. Motorcycles flying through here.